Hi, my name is Leslie, and I want to share my experience with Davis, Saperstein, and Solomon. I chose Davis, Saperstein, and Solomon because Sam Davis came highly recommended to me, and I used this firm many years ago when I was injured, and I was so happy with all the ways that they helped me. The day that I had my accident, it was the height of the pandemic in New York City. And that night I called Sam Davis, and he got back to me right away and promised that he would help me. And it was just so comforting. And it was just a very frightening time. And Sam was with me all the way. While I was going through all of this for the past 2.5 years, every member of the legal team was helpful to me. They were accessible through phone calls and through email. And so I never felt alone in this. If any of my members of my family or my friends or anyone who's interested would like to know if I could recommend this firm, that's a yes. They are the best. And I just have to say, I am so satisfied, and I'm so glad that there's closure now. I would like to say thank you to every member of my team for going to bat for me.